Hello everyone. Before the video begins, make sure you go onto Instagram and follow me. And it's the same name as on my YouTube channel. It's Lola's Doll World Remakes. Make sure you give me a heart and leave a comment on under the pictures you like on my Instagram. And make sure before you watch this video, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment after you finish watching it and let me know what you think about this video. Bye. Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and today's video I'm going to show you how to turn a Dollar Tree doll into a luxurious, beautiful Barbie doll. But anyway, first of all, I started off just two dolls. I said they didn't really have a look to themselves, but I kind of like the blonde hair one better than the brunette. So I started with the brunette first. I used some acetone, or you can use nail polish remover, and removed her eyes, the makeup, her eye makeup, and lip color and eyebrows. I have some gel pens, marker pens, and pencils that I use for the repaint. And I use some old clothing that I have from dolls. And I repeat the same process for the blonde haired doll as well. After that, I created a beautiful brunette, and she looks like a celebrity. Leave in the comments down below if you kind of see the celebrity resemblance. And the second one, she resembles a celebrity as well. And with the first doll, I just had an old Barbie doll jacket, some white pants, and some heels. The second doll, I had an outfit from one of my Scary Spice dolls, and I topped it off with some red heels, and I think they look phenomenal. I'm going to change their bodies in the future, but this is for somebody, just a beginner's trying to do a beginner makeover for their dolls. It don't take a lot. You can put some makeup on it. You don't have to repaint. You can just put some makeup over top of their eyes, or some blush, or eyeliner, or contouring their cheekbones. Just every little thing helps. Everybody cannot afford expensive Barbie dolls, or even a regular price Barbie doll. Some people can only afford a $1.25 doll, and this is how you make it glamorous. It's your girl Lola. I'll be back with another video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Please y'all thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back. Bye.